cloud kings, they just keep delivering. Just look at ServiceNow, the software company that lets businesses automate various information technology processes, not to mention all sorts of back office jobs. You know what? These guys are the king of helping other companies save money on labor costs. But even cloud kings needed the rest. This stock had been treading water for the past couple of months after an epic move in January and February. Then, after the close today, ServiceNow reported a true blowout quarter, and the stock roared in after-hours trading. The company delivered a 13-cent earnings beat off a 54-cent basis. That is huge. Substantially higher than expected revenue, up 38% year-over-year. Even better, management gave bullish guidance for the next quarter and also raised their full-year subscription revenue and billings forecast. It was a terrific quarter. We have loved this company, I don't know, for a couple hundred points. So let's dig deep with John Donahue. He's the president and CEO of ServiceNow. Find out more about the quarter and his company's prospects. Mr. Donahue, welcome back to Mad Money.
Hi, Jim. How are you doing?
Well, John, it's always great to see you because you are the delivery man. And I'm looking at a chart in your deck. 17 of top 20 deals in Q1 included 3+ products. I've heard of land and expand. That's nonsense. You are landing and you're taking over.
Well, Jim, that's the power of being a platform. And fundamentally, ServiceNow is a platform. It's a platform that enables you to digitize and automate workflows all across the company, that allows you to deliver great experiences for your employees and customers and unlock productivity. So platform is what enables the growth of all the applications on top.
Now, when I see these numbers, John, the first thing I think of is the reason why the Federal Reserve does not need to tighten is because there are companies like ServiceNow doing more with less, making your company far more efficient, not necessarily laying off people, but certainly as a company grows, ServiceNow grows with you. Are you part of a new economy that explains the greatness of how our country can grow without inflation?
Well, in many ways, Jim, I think the lessons that and experiences we've learned in our consumer lives over the last 10 years, where born in the cloud, the mobile phone came out, cloud-based applications like an eBay, a PayPal, an Amazon, a Lyft, they allowed us to be more efficient at home and have better experiences, and that it was a win-win. That's now coming to our lives at work. And so a platform like ServiceNow helps a company provide a better experience for ourselves at work, whether it's a more automated experience. For instance, we're launching a mobile onboarding product next week, which will allow a new employee to go through their entire onboarding experience on their mobile device. That is both a better experience for the incoming employee, and it's significantly more efficient for the company. So bottom line, I think you're right that a born in the cloud platform like ServiceNow is going to help deliver better experiences and be more efficient, which is the kind of win-win we need at work, just like we've had it at home.
Well, look, I didn't know about this mobile. I was going to go towards shifting to subscriptions. I'm trying to figure out who else has that, because what I realize is that is just a decided advantage that you can take share. Who are you displacing with that?
Well, Jim, in many ways, we're not displacing anyone. Here's what I hear from customers. Customers are embracing 4 to 6 strategic software platforms. Often it's Salesforce, it's Workday, it's ServiceNow, it's Adobe for marketing analytics, it's Office 365, maybe SAP if there's a supply chain, and they're trying to put as much as they can on these platforms. So there's going to be multiple winners. Now, ServiceNow's role within that is twofold. One, we're the IT system of record. We help IT departments go from being legacy IT to modern IT. But very importantly, we provide workflow, cross-functional workflow around many of the other platforms. So employee onboarding, for instance, is an end-to-end employee experience. If you think about what it takes to onboard an employee, you need to get your badge from security, your desk from facilities, your laptop from IT. You got to sign up for your HR, your health plan. You got to sign up with payroll, which is in finance, with T&E. Got to do compliance training. You're probably touching 7 or 8 different departments. What ServiceNow's onboarding app does is it connects all those together into a seamless experience for the new employee, but under the surface, it's connecting with Workday, with Concur, with ADP,
Right.
with all the other supporting
Right.
systems. And so I think this is a world where you're going to see multiple winners, and the real winners are going to be the employees who get better experience, customers who get better experience, and companies who get more efficiency and productivity.
Right, and obviously people aren't wasting 2 days when they just hired and they're not making any money for the company. Now, John, something I was looking through your release. You guys are getting close to Adobe. You're getting close to Microsoft. But you know what? I know you're as close to Salesforce. And I know we all got these things. Everybody gets along. I don't know anymore, John. I don't know how well Adobe gets along with Salesforce. I mean, are you trying to be Switzerland, but maybe someone draws you into their orb?
Look, Jim, we're trying to do what we do best, which is digital workflow. And we realize that we want to be world-class at what we do and then work highly effectively with the other platforms. That's what I hear from customers. Customers are saying to me, John, I want 1 + 1 + 1 to equal 5. Or as one of my customers said, I want 1 + 1 + 1 times ServiceNow to help me get 10 times productivity. So we're working hard to integrate effectively with other leading technologies and other leading platforms because that's what customers want. Fundamentally, each of us do different things. Yes, there's some 5 or 10% overlap on the edges, but to deliver true digital transformation, to deliver truly better employee experiences, to deliver real productivity, we need to be able to work together on behalf of our customers, and that's what we're committed to do.
Well, John, that's why you are a cloud king. Once again, thank you so much for delivering NOW ServiceNow. Great work, sir. Great to see you. Congratulations. John Donahue is the president and CEO of ServiceNow. How much have we loved this stock? And thank you. Stick with Cramer. Booyah! Jim Cramer here from Mad Money. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube. Click here to subscribe and get the jump on my exclusives with CEOs, plus market news, investing advice, and a whole lot more.